So now would be a good time to install the back tires. So before you even touch your tire, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your go-kart is jacked up enough so you can get the tire on there. If it can't fit on there, for example, if it's too low, then just go ahead and obviously jack this up a little bit more so you have room to slide it on. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your tire is going on in the proper direction. Do I put it on this way or do I put it on this way? Does it even matter? Well, yes, it does. If you go ahead and look at the tread on your tire, most tires have an arrow-shaped tread. Now, unless it's like racing slicks or something weird like that, the tread on your tire is going to go in a specific way. As you can see, this tread looks like an arrow that's pointing down. So you want to make sure that the tread is pointing forward. So just like that, forward is over here. Now go ahead and lift your tire on the lug nuts. So make sure it's nice and even, and by the way, make sure that your parking brake is on right now. And now go ahead and hand tighten your lug nuts. Now, most tires on your car or on your, whatever vehicle you have, they have lug nuts, which is like a big bolt that goes over the lug stud. But on this one right here, they actually have washers. Why they decided to go with that idea, I don't know, but they have a regular washer and a lock washer, and then they just have a nut. So go ahead and hand tighten all of those. Now that these are hand tightened, we can go ahead and grab a tool and start tightening them with the tool. So whenever you have 4 studs, what you want to do is you want to tighten them in this order. Opposites first, so this one, then this one, and then the 2 ones other than that. This one, then this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the reason you want to tighten opposite ones first is because it lets your tire go on more evenly. Now just for extra information, whenever you have 5, because tires usually have 5 or 4 lug studs, you want to tighten them like a star. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the rule. So let's go ahead and start with this one right here. And I got the wrong size socket. Awesome. All right, this one should work a little bit better. So let's go ahead and tighten this one first. There we go. Now the opposite one. There we go. Now this one. And lastly, this one. Alright, so now all of our lug nuts are tightened. Now usually whenever you're changing your car or something, as you can see, I had a little bit of trouble there because whenever I would start spinning this or trying to tighten it, my tire would turn with it. Now these have pretty big treads. I can just go ahead and hold on to it and get a good grip. But usually with cars, they don't have as big as treads as this, and it's usually a problem trying to tighten it and your tire spinning. So if that's the case, just tighten them as much as you can with a tool, and then you want to lower your jack, and once this is on the floor, it won't spin at all because you can't move your entire car. So once this is on the floor, after you lower your jack, you want to tighten them again in the same order. So now that our rear tires are installed, we're ready to move on to the next part. And guys, I should mention this. I know I didn't make a video on how to install the front tire, but it's pretty much the same exact method. So, I don't think I need to tell you guys how to do every single tire. It's the same as this one. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.